Welcome to Happy Valley Farm! Wake up, friends! Today is special! What does the poster say? Farm Sports Day! How exciting!
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Sports Day is here!
I love sports! This will be fun!
Sports? I prefer napping, but okay.
Quack, quack! I am ready to play!
Let's do this. I love competition. A sports day? I shall win with honor.
Jumping is my specialty.
Oh my! Sports sound a bit scary. Hopping is what I do best.
I am the most magnificent athlete here. Slow and steady wins the race, right?
Sports Day sounds absolutely delightful. I will make this day beautiful!
Teamwork is the key to success.
Sports Day! Sports Day! Let's play! I may be prickly, but I am friendly. Ribbit! Jumping is my game. I may be slow, but I never give up. We are all here, 20 friends ready to play!
Listen, everyone. Let me explain the rules.
The sports field looks amazing!
Welcome to the first ever Farm Sports Day!
Go, team! We play fair, and have fun! First event! Three-legged race! We need to work together! One, two, we got this! We need to agree on the speed! Compromise means everyone wins! We are so different! How can we race? I will carry you! We are a team! Everyone is a winner when we try our best.
Next up, egg and spoon race.
Slow and careful. Balance is key. try again. Mistakes help us learn. Sack race time! Hop to it! Hopping is what frogs do best. Hey! Rolling works too.
Sharing makes things better.
Tug of war. Team strength.
Ready, set, PUL! Pull together.
1, 2, 3.
Getting muddy is fun too. Winners help others. That is true sportsmanship. Time for a yummy lunch break. Sharing food with friends is the best.
Remember, the real prize is friendship.
Obstacle course challenge.
Look at Billy go! Amazing jumps! My tail helps me balance. How useful!
No problem. There is always another way. Never give up, even when it is hard.
Go, Shelly! Go, Shelly! You can do it!
I finished! Thank you for believing in me! Relay race! Pass the baton carefully.
Close call! Good catch, Hoppy!
Flying gives us an advantage.
It is so close! Who will win?
A tie. Both teams win. Double the joy. Long jump. Jump as far as you can.
Wow!
Freddy jumped so far. Good try, Milky. You did your best. Let me show you. Bend your legs like this. I improved. Thank you for teaching me. Water balloon toss. Do not pop it. Gentle catches. Communication is important.
Oops! My spines are too sharp.
Musical chairs. Listen for the music. We can share. There is room for two. Cheering is just as fun as playing.
Final round. Who will sit first?
Another tie!
What a wonderful day!
Final challenge. Everyone works together. Find your piece.
Help each other.
I will bring the far pieces.
Fast legs help.
That piece goes there. I can see everything.
Together we are strong. Try turning it. Patience solves puzzles.
Where is the last piece? We need it!
It was on me the whole time.
We did it!
Together we finished it! What a beautiful puzzle.
What a beautiful day!
Time for awards! Everyone is special. Every one of you is a champion. The biggest prize goes to ALL of us. Everyone say teamwork. Time to celebrate our friendship. Together we are stronger. Friends forever.
Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. See you next time!